At the edge of Europe, where the two wonderful continents of Asia and Europe touches, lie the beautiful country of Turkey. This country is a perfect harmony both physically and culturally between Europe and Asia. There is no place in Turkey that demonstrates the harmonious lifestyle better than its capital, Istanbul. Istanbul is Turkey's most populous city. The city's population ranges from 12 million to 19 million people, making it not only one of the biggest cities in both Europe and Asia but also in the world. It is also the Turkish cultural, financial and touristy hub. Visiting Istanbul, you will definitely not run out of things to do and places to see. Thanks to its rich history and culture uniqueness, Istanbul is happy to welcome millions of tourists every year. Istanbul, with its special location at the edge of two big and prominent continents, has brought to this country many benefits as well as wars and conflicts over the years. Taking a tour around the city, listening to your tour guide introducing about the city that is the end point of the famous Silk Road, about all the wars and conflicts that happen because of territorial, financial and religious issues and how the Turkish managed to survive them all you will get a chill and admiration for the wonder and bravery this city and country possess throughout mankind history. Not just history, culture-wise, with art, architecture, and food, Istanbul brings the charm of the Turkish old tales together with the modern impressive skyline downtown. Either you are looking for ancient, traditional architecture or modern skyscrapers, you can find them all in one city of Istanbul. Old Town Istanbul Tour with Big Boy Travel. This tour will take you on a 2 hours walking route around the Old Town of Istanbul. There will be park, museums, and sight along the route. You do not have to pay for the tour itself, but you need to pay the entrance fee if you want to visit any site. Visiting the more historic side of Istanbul, you will get to see the footprints of the ancient Greek settlers to the Ottoman empires. If you are especially interested in the rich history of Istanbul and Turkey, this tour is for you. Guru Walk Istanbul. Guru Walk is a community of local guides who offer free walking tours in their cities. Feel free to try, you will love it. Up Sultan Pier Lodi. We start from Karakoy Port. We take the boat and reach to Up Sultan in 20 minutes with a perfect Istanbul view and nice talk and with a delicious tea for sure. When we reach Up, we will discover the old area that smell fully Ottoman period. The area is full of history, religion and mystical atmosphere. We will give a cookies break, starting as an ancient Greek settlement called Byzantium. The historic core of Istanbul has also served as the capital of the Roman, Byzantine, and Ottoman empires. These empires each controlled huge parts of the world, which led to a trove of wealth, riches, and building projects. Huge monuments and megastructures filled the powerful metropolis, which still impress visiting tourists today. While unrest and war have altered many of the core sites over the centuries, Old Town Istanbul has remained an amazing melting pot of cultures and architecture that you can't find anywhere else. We hope you enjoy our free Istanbul walking tour.
Bir de vuruyor. Allah Allah. Taşan rahat var, vurma. Ama demez bana taş. Zorlamayacağım abi. Tamam abi. Tamam. Sen gel.